Welcome back to the session. In this class, let us discuss about electrostatic potential energy of a system of two charges in the presence of what? The external electric field. So far, the what concept we discussed means we derived an expression for electrostatic potential energy of system of two charges, electrostatic potential energy of system of three charges in the absence of external electric field. Means in those cases the electric field, that is external electric field, was absent. But in this class, what expression I am deriving, that is electrostatic potential energy of system of what? Two charges. What I am going to consider in this case, charges, that is system of two charges are present inside an external electric field. Write on the title here, electrostatic potential energy, electrostatic potential energy electrostatic potential energy of system of two charges in an external electric field, in an external electric field. So this is the next content in the lesson. Let me derive an expression for electrostatic potential energy of system of two charges in the presence of external electric field. So before deriving expression for electrostatic potential energy of system of two charges or system of any charges, one concept you focus here, the potential energy U is the total amount of work done in displacing number of charges in the direction opposite to the direction of what? Electric field. First you have to analyze how many electric fields are there, and next you have to calculate the total work done in bringing all the charges, the total amount of work done in bringing all the charges in the direction opposite to the direction of the electric field. Sum of all the works in displacing charges from infinity to given point in the direction of what? Electric fields which are existing. The total sum of all the works in the direction opposite to the direction of the electric field, that will call it as a potential energy. And one more thing here, work done in displacing a charge from infinity to given point. Work done in displacing any charge from infinity to given point is determined by using the formula W is equals to Q into V. What is Q here? Which charge we are displacing? For example, Q is a charge which is displaced from infinity to what? Point A. Q is a which charge we are displacing from infinity, and what is V? V is a potential at a point. V is a potential at a point at which you are placing the charge. So in this case, what is V? V is a electrostatic potential at what? Point A. Q is a charge which is displaced from infinity to what? Point A. Then the amount of work done is given by W is equals to what? Q into V. So now I will come back to the derivation here. So I want to derive the expression for electrostatic potential energy of system of two charges, and those two charges are that system is present inside an external electric field. Imagine that this is the external electric field. So this is the external electric field in which I need to arrange system consisting of two charges. One is charge Q1 and another one is charge Q2. Q1 and Q2 are the two charges, that is Q1 is a first charge, Q2 is a second charge, and these two charges are separated by what? Distance R here, and A is a point, B is another point, in such a way that A and B are the 2 points which are separated by distance R. It is, what is E? E is an external electric field produced by some other charge. E is a external electric field. How much is the total work done? How much is the total work done in bringing Q1 and Q2 charges from infinity to their respective positions? Means work done in bringing Q1 from infinity to point A plus work done in bringing Q2 from infinity to point B, that total amount of work done, we'll call it as a electrostatic potential energy of what? System of two charges. Let me define V1 and V2. What are V1 and V2, you tell me? V1 and V2 are the electrostatic potentials at point A and point B due to external electric field. Concentrate here. What are V1 and V2? V1 and V2 are the electrostatic potentials at point A and point B, and those two potentials are due to external electric field. As I said you, I have to calculate total work done in bringing the charges Q1 and Q2 from infinity to what? Point A, that is Q1 is brought from infinity to point A and Q2 is brought from infinity to point B. How much is the total work done? The total work done, will call it as a electrostatic potential what? Of a system of two charges inside an external electric field. Okay. Imagine initially the Q1 was at the point of infinity. Q1 was at the point of infinity. I have to bring Q1 from infinity to point A. I have to bring Q1 from infinity to point A. When I am bringing Q1 from infinity to point A, I have to do the work in the direction. I have to do the work in the direction opposite to the direction of what? Electric field. Concentrate here. Already there exists a external electric field. To bring Q1 from infinity to point A, I have to do the work in the direction opposite to the direction of what? Electric field. First point, what it is? Work done. Look at the steps here. Work done in displacing. In displacing which charge? Displacing Q1 from infinity to point A. Point A in the direction opposite to external electric field. External electric field. That I will call it as a W1. Will you tell me what is W1? As I said you, W1 work done is a product of charge multiplied by potential at a point. Which charge you are bringing? You are bringing charge that is Q1. And at what point you are placing? You are placing Q1 from infinity to what? Point A. What is the potential at point A due to what? External electric field. The potential is how much it is? V1. Therefore, W1 is equals to Q1 V1. Concentrate here. What is W1 is equals to Q1 V1? It is amount of work done in displacing which charge? Which charge? Q1 charge from infinity to what? Point B, point A, in the direction opposite to the direction of what? External electric field. This I will call it as a point 1. Second step. What is the second step of the calculation? Concentrate here. Work done. Work done in displacing. In displacing Q2 from infinity to point B. Infinity to point B, opposite to direction of external electric field. Direction of external electric field is that work done. I will call it as a W2. Will you write what is the expression for W2 here? Work done is given by charge multiplied by potential. Which charge you are bringing? You are bringing Q2 from infinity to what? Point B. Therefore, the charge is Q2. What is the potential at B due to external electric field? That is V2. Therefore, Q2 into V2. So, this is the second work done. As I said you, potential energy is nothing but total sum of all the works in the direction of all the electric fields. How many electric fields we have here? One is of course the external electric field. When you are displacing Q2 from infinity to point B, you have to do the two works here. You have to do the two works when you are bringing Q2 from infinity to point B. One work already given. First work is you have to do the work in the direction opposite to the external electric field. Second, you have to what? Do the work in the direction opposite to the direction of electric field produced by what? Q1. Q1 is a charge. When you are bringing Q2 from infinity to point B, you have to do the work in the direction opposite to the external electric field, and you have to do the work in the direction opposite to the electric field produced by what? Q1. Q1 is producing the electric field. I will call V dash. What is V dash here? V dash is a electrostatic potential at point B due to the electric field produced by what? Q1. Therefore, what is the third work here? Work done. Work done in displacing which charge? Q2 from infinity to point B in the direction opposite to direction of electric field of Q1. And this is similar to potential energy of what? A system of two charges that already we derived. This work done is equal to potential energy of what? System of two charges, because Q1 and Q2 are the two charges separated by distance R. When you are bringing Q2 from infinity to point B in the direction opposite to the direction of what? Electric field of Q1, the total amount of work done is similar to the potential energy of what? A system of two charges. That is what should be a next work done here. This work done should be equals to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. It is given by Q1 Q2 divided by R. This is the third work done. Okay, no problem. You can derive W3 by analytical method. Which is W3? How you are calculating? W3 is given by which charge you are bringing, you tell me? Q2. At what point? At a point B. What is the potential at B due to the charge Q1? That is given by V dash. Okay. Then Q2 equals to Q2 into what is V dash? V dash is a electrostatic potential at B due to charge Q1. V dash is a electrostatic potential at point B due to charge Q1. What is potential? V dash is equals to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. Charge is how much it is? Q1. What is potential? What is potential? Charge divided by distance. Which is the distance? Distance is R. Therefore, what is the value of V dash here? The value of V dash is given by 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 by R. This is the value of V dash. Then simplify, you will get W3 equals to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. It is Q1 Q2 by R. Same work. Okay. So this is the amount of work done in displacing which charge? Q2 charge in the direction opposite to the direction of electric field produced by what? Q1. Then what is the potential energy of system of 3 charges here? Total work done in displacing all the charges. We will call it as a potential energy of what? System of 2 charges. Therefore, electrostatic potential energy. Next step. Therefore, electrostatic potential energy is, what is the electrostatic potential energy? That electrostatic potential energy is given by U is equals to W1 plus W2 plus W. Sum of all the works here. Substitute all the values. Let's substitute all the values here. U equals to, what is W1? W1 is given by Q1 V1 plus, what is W2? Q2 V2 plus, what is W3? What is W3 here? 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. It is Q1 Q2 divided by R, which is an expression for potential energy of system of how many charges? 2 charges in the presence of what? External electric field. So this is another concept which is related to potential energy of what? System of 2 charges, what we discussed in the lesson, electric charge, electrostatic potential and capacitance. Okay, we'll stop here only.